Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making gluten-free banana oat breakfast cookies. I get this recipe from Anthony William Medical Medium Cleanse to Heal. This couldn't be any simpler. Very easy to prepare with just few ingredients. Tastes so delicious and good for your health too. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 1 cup gluten-free oats, 1 banana, coconut chips, blueberries, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Place the banana in a medium-sized mixing bowl and mash with fork. Add the oats, cinnamon, coconut chips, and blueberries. Mix all the ingredients with a spoon and fork until thoroughly combined. Scoop out the mixture using heaping spoon and place them on the baking pan and flatten them slightly to make this. Now, place the cookies in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until browned on the sides. Cool completely before eating. Give these gluten-free banana oat breakfast cookies a try. Thank you for being here. Until next time.